Fourth standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. Today's topic number 13, money. All of you know money. Last year we learned money. Okay. Say me, 1 rupees have how many paise? 1 rupees have how many paise? 1 rupees have 100 paise. 1 rupees means 100 paise. 2 rupees means 200 paise. 3 rupees means 300 paise. See here 0.36 paise. How to write in a fraction? 36 divided by 100 because of 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and given you 54 rupees 54 by 100 paise. How to write this one? 0.54 paise we write in a decimal. All of you understand? We write in this one decimal. All of you understand now how to recognize? Now we given you 30 rupees 25 paise. How to write in a decimal? 30.25 rupees 30.25. And how to write in a fraction? 30 rupees 30 20 by 100 20 by right. This is in a decimal form and this is in a fraction. Okay, as given you words, this is you call the decimal form, this is called you fraction form. See here, open the page number 84. Write rupees in a decimal form. 34 rupees 85 paisa. Rupees 34.85. 34.85. Okay. B1 62 rupees 70 paisa. Rupees 60.70 paisa. Rupees 60.70 paisa. 353 rupees 25 paisa. Rupees 353 rupees 25 paise. 872 rupees 87 paise. Rupees 872.87 paise. 87 paise. Next one, write rupees and paise. Write as a rupees and paise. 548.45. Here integral number write in a rupees column. 548. Point after decimal number, that one is a paise, so write there in a paise column. Then 37 rupees 00 paise. Here 68 by 5 by 100. 68 to 5 by 100. 68 rupees 5 paise. Then 89 rupees 75 paise. 89 rupees 75 paise. Write as a rupees and paise. Rupees 12 30 by 100. Rupees 12 30 by 100. 12 rupees 34 paise. 12 rupees 34 paise. Next one, rupees 70.70. 75 rupees 75 paise. 75 rupees 75 paise. Then 600 rupees 15 paise. 600 rupees 15 paise. 708 6 by 100. 708 rupees 6 paise. 6 paise. Next one, fill in the blanks. Rupees 37 4 by 100 means 37 rupees 4 paise means here how many paise you want? 37 multiply by 100. 37 multiply by 100 3700 plus 4 means 3704 paise. 3704 paise. How to do? All of you understand? See here, 46 rupees 0.7 means 46 rupees 7 paise. Okay, now how many paise? 46 multiplied by 100. Why you multiply by 100? 4600. Because of 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. You want here paise. 406.00. 4607 paise. All of you understand? 84 rupees 92 paise. Write in a decimal number, rupees 84.92. 24 rupees 55 paise. Write as a mixed number, 24 rupees 55 paise by 100. 55 by 100. All of you understand how to write? All of you understand now? Next one is a addition and subtraction word problem. Addition and subtraction words problem. In the money have also add there as it is as a decimal point. How to add it now there? See here. Rupees and paise column is there. 44 rupees. In the rupees and paise there is a dot, 71 paise plus 891.08. 1 plus 8 9, 7 plus 0 7, point 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 9 10 13, carry 1, 935.79. All of you understand how to do? Next one, subtraction also same. 734.23 minus 241.68. 3 minus 8 is possible? No, carry 1. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. 1 minus 6 is possible? No. Carry 1. 11 minus 6, 5. Point try it. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 4 is possible? No. Carry 1. 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 2, 4. 492.55. 492.55. All of you understand now how to do? Open your textbook. Page number 85. First one, 235.75 plus 312.16. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 547.91. 3 plus 8. 8 plus 3. 11, carry 1. 10, 12, carry 1. 308. This one also we solve here. Next one, subtraction. 891.86 minus 340.34. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 80.76 minus 34.34. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 0 minus 4 is possible? No. Take a carry. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 46.42. F is your homework. F is your homework. Question number 2. Solve words problem in your notebook. Write a statement. Write a statements. Anita has rupees 500 and Komal has rupees 475. First one question, what is the total amount both of them have? First page number write, first one topic name write money, then page number 85, question number 2, write there, solve in words problem, then first one A1 write, then first one write, okay, and their answer we write here. What is the total amount both of them have? Here write, Anita has rupees and paise. How many rupees? 500. 500 paise plus total amount they ask. See here, total amount both them have. Then Komal has 400.75. 900. How many? Total amount. Total amount they have right here, rupees 900.75 total amount both of them have. Then second one, how much less amount does Komal have than Anita? Here also write, Anita has minus Komal has. Right there, 500 minus 400.75. Take carry. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. There, right? Rupees 99.25. Less amount does Komal have? Then Anita. All of you understand now? Next one. Ankit wanted to buy shirt rupees 200.75 and trouser 325.50. He had rupees 700. What is the total cost of shirt and trouser? How much money was left with him? Okay. That time, see here, B1 question also you write there. Then C. Ankit wanted to buy shirt. First one, all's amount you. What is the total cost of shirt and trouser? You want first one's answer. Cost of shirt, rupees and paise, 200.75. Then plus cost of trousers, 325.50. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 12, carry 1, 6, 2, 5. This is a total cost. Okay, this is a total cost of, write here answer, rupees 526.25 cost of shirt and trouser, shirt and trousers. Okay, next one, second one, how much money was left with him? Here write rupees and paise column. He have how many total rupees? Total amount, how many is there? 700. And purchase total amount, how many purchase total amount? 526.25, 526.25, right there, 526.25, minus there. Okay, now 6, 10, 9, 10, 9, here also 10, 9, here 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 2, 7, 6 minus 5, 1, rupees 173.75 was left with him, left with him. C1 is your homework, C1 is your homework. Now question number 3. You have rupees 500 to spend on pet supplies from the groups of 3 items that would cost, first one just less than rupees 500, just more than rupees 500, and C1 exactly rupees 500 in your notebook. In your notebook, just less than rupees 500, just less than rupees 500. Okay, less than rupees 500. First one right, first one this question also right, and pet item this one only right. Pet care book rupees 200, leash rupees 111.50, shampoo rupees 180.50, pet food rupees 249.25, food bowl rupees 50.75, dog brush rupees 80.25. That one also right. Now we write just less than rupees 500, less than rupees 500. That time which item we purchased there? Here write rupees and paise, leash rupees 111.50, then shampoo rupees 180.50, then food bowl 50.75, and dog brush is equal to rupees 80.25. That one is a plus. 5, 10 carry 1, 5, 5, 10, 20 carry 2, 2, 3, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 21, 22 carry 1, 323 rupees, 323 rupees. Okay, now also anyone will buy here? No, this is a 249 rupees and this is a 200. Only for this item we purchased here. B1 just more than rupees 500. Okay, that time pet care book here also rupees and paise rise 200.00 paise. Then leash 111.50. then shampoo 180.50. pet food 249.25. food bowl 50.75. dog brush 80.25. 15 carry 1 10 20 22 carry 2 2 3 3 plus 9 12 carry 1 1 plus 1 2 2 10 plus 8 10 10 plus 18 19 19 plus 10 29 27 2 to 4 5 6 7 8 872 rupees. These all items just more than a rupees 500, and C1 is a exactly rupees 500. Exactly rupees 500. Which item? First one, we pet food 249 plus 25. food bowl 50.75. and then pet care book rupees 200. 5 apply 10 carry 1 10 carry 1 10 carry 1 10 carry 1 rupees 500. These three items we purchased, that time you pay there exactly 500. All of you understand? Today's homework, page number 84, 85 and 86 completed there in your textbook, and which is right in notebook, that also. Okay, thank you.